You ever feel like your brain's a glitch loop, but everyone around you's just buffering normal? I smile to pass, laugh to mask, but truthfully I'm spinning fast in a world that keeps asking me to slow down or disappear. I try to fit in, it never fit back. Some days the storm comes quiet, no thunder, just wait. Thoughts pull me under before I even wake. Too many styles, too many speeds, I'm too much for this world's needs, but I'm still here, still wild, still me. If I'm meant to fade, then let it be with fire. This ain't weakness, this is wires wrapped in choir. They called it broken, I call it truth. You want my silence, sorry I choose you. ADHD, anxiety, chaos and code. You judge the storm, but I am the I'm the fast lane, blinking, miss it brain. Living 10 lives in one day again. 1 second calm, next I combust. But in that chaos I place my trust. Hyper focus, sharp as knives. Miss a cue, forget my lines. But I create from shattered pace. I don't fit in, I bend the space. Flashbacks flicker past misread. They labeled me wrong, fed me late. Told me I was too intense, but none of them ever made sense. I asked for help, they gave me shame, but I burned through it just the same. How did I live so muted, so afraid to be unsuited? But now I see my brain's not broken. It's tuned to something wild and free. Take a breath, follow your storm. We were never meant to be uniform. This isn't weakness, this is art. A beating mind with a rebel heart. They said I'd fail, but I refuse. I'm not their system, I'm my own muse. ADHD in all its forms. This is me in every storm. Multitask queen, juggling flame. You play by rules, I break the game. Thoughts ricochet, no time to stall. I rise in glitches, I own it all. They try to fix what made me rare, but I unmasked and now I stare into the mirror and say I'm wild, and that's my power, a reconcile. Was diagnosed, misunderstood, but I kept going like a wildfire shut.